And we start in 3, 2, 1. ब्रो आज मेरे को दोस्त का बर्थडे था, ठीक है. आज मान इट एज ऑलवेज इट्स फकिंग 4 AM. आज मेरे दोस्त का बर्थडे था, मैंने उसको विश किया. उसने मेरे को बोला सेम टू यू. आई सेड हैप्पी बर्थडे. शी सेड सेम टू यू. ब्रो ये मेरे साथ बहुत हुआ है, मैंने बहुत किया है ब्रो. हर एक बर्थडे पे किसी ना किसी को तो सेम टू यू बोला ही है मैंने. Like luckily WhatsApp came out of the feature of like delete, like the message delete for everyone, and I think like so many people have seen it and been like, hey buddy. Oh my ज़्यादा हो गया ब्रो. ये मैं I drank this what is this Schweppes dry ginger ale I drank. ब्रो पूरा छाती ड्राई हो गया ब्रो. सीने से मतलब पूरा मॉइस्चर निकाल डाला. लाइक आई फेल्ट लाइक 20 minutes later after having that, like I felt like somebody ripped out all the fucking moisture that there is in my body. I'm not joking, I'm very serious. छाती फट गई थी मतलब लाइक. तो भी मैं पिया, मतलब अभी खरीदा ही है. कितने का है पता है ये Schweppes का? fucking it's dude it's like I think it's fucking $100 man. like एक तो देख, I'll tell you why I'm okay with buying this. This is not going out of my pocket, right? Like घर के नीचे का जो जनरल स्टोर है, हीरल जनरल स्टोर, शाउट आउट टू हीरल जनरल स्टोर. बाय द वे उसके पहले, हीरल के पहले नाम था स्वीट होम, ठीक है. स्वीट होम गॉट बॉट, like it got annexed, okay, same like layout of the shop, everything. Sweet Home supermarket got bought, like you know it got taken over. मतलब acquisition हो गया, let's say, of Sweet Home into हीरल स्टोर्स, ठीक है. हीरल स्टोर्स अभी क्या बोलते हैं, अभी हीरल सुपर मार्केट बन गया वो. हीरल स्टोर्स कुछ नहीं, जगह एक्सपैंड नहीं हुई, कुछ नहीं, सेम शॉप, ऑल द सेम. इज दिस हीरल सुपर मार्केट. The dude that fucking owns the place is a baller, is a fucking tank of a man. He's a legend, top legend. He's so cool. Hiral supermarket का आदमी, the owner is so fucking legendary. He hired the same people from the same general store that he bought over. So he bought the entire supermarket, changed everything. The guy, like, so Sweet Home was the original shop. Sweet Home के original people left, but this guy was like, no, fuck you guys, I'm gonna hire you all only. He's that like smart. He's like, तुम लोग को पता है ऐसा धंधा यहाँ कैसे चलता है, you all are trustworthy. ऐसे होना चाहिए bro. Business is supposed to be like this. It's not supposed to be just like I come and take over your entire place. समझ रहा है कि नहीं समझ रहा है पॉइंट मेरा? तो भावना समझ रहा है. बढ़िया मैन. हीरल is too lit. Nothing has changed. Same locality, everything, same fucking shop. Dot is just the name has changed, and they've called it a supermarket. I don't know what's so super about it. Like for me, it's like the best. Like मेरे लिए तो मतलब it's क्योंकि मेरा मतलब घर का अकाउंट है ना वहाँ पर. तू समझ रहा है, घर का अकाउंट है वहाँ पर, तो मेरे को जो चाहिए मैं लेता हूँ, ठीक है. Okay, so there's a crazy story. So I'll remember I was going to Uttarakhand. For anybody who doesn't follow my podcast, I'd gone to Uttarakhand for a trek in February. And I had gone like against my parents' will, like fully against my parents' will, like matlab, like to the point that I had some money invested in cryptocurrency and I sold all of that and left. Like I sold all of that and they were like, we're not giving you money. I was like, fuck it, I don't need it. I'll sell my crypto and leave. I sold it, I bounced. And before that I was like, I had to, like, you know, for the trek, like you need like protein bars and shit like that, right? Like whatever I needed I bought from Hiral, and I didn't have any more money. Like I paid for the flight all inclusive. I had zero money after I paid for the trek and the flights and everything like that, and the stay after the trek and everything. I had no money left. So itna paisa bhi nahi tha कि I can go to like a store and buy protein bar. Genuinely, like I could have asked for money from my parents, but that would defeat the ego battle, right? Like I would lose, and I have a massive ego in that department. So I just played it smart. Instead of like, see, some would say that Karan, even though you know, like you ideally lost the ego battle because you bought stuff from the general store that your house has a account in, right? So technically they are only paying for it. Your parents like, yeah, but they don't know ना. समझ रहा है कि पूरा महीने का बिल साथ में आता है. उनको क्या मालूम 4 प्रोटीन बार कौन लिया, एज लॉन्ग एज देयर इज अ सिग्नेचर ऑन इट, उनको क्या मालूम आई बॉट इट बिफोर अ फाइट और आफ्टर अ फाइट. समझ रहा है कि नहीं समझ रहा है? तो पॉइंट बीइंग दैट, एनीवे ऐसा ट्रैक पे गए, किलर मज़ा आ गया ब्रो. Like I really enjoyed it. I met a lot of people from different parts of different countries, and I like that. Like I've had experience with meeting people from different places, and I'm guaranteeing you that you're never gonna meet people like people from Delhi. Those guys are fucking top level. I'm not joking. I'll tell you, like top level. By top level, I don't mean like they're fun and good. By top level, I mean that they're fucking annoying. Most 88%. I don't. I am like throwing a stat around, but I know it's either it, if not more, it is at least 88% of Delhi. It's a fucking annoying. Sorry, man. Like a lot of my good friends are from Delhi. I love y'all, but y'all are fucking crazy, man. Y'all are annoying. I love y'all, but y'all piss me the fuck off. I'll tell you why they piss me off. I was in Penn State for 2 years, okay, and the first year that I was there, I one of the first few parties I went for was an Indian party. Like a lot of Indian groups, right? Like it happens, right? You stick with, like, most people, most Indian people go there and stick with an Indian group, which is fine, which is fair. It is what it is, right? And I got invited. Like few of my friends got invited, and I also went. And this is serious. I'm not joking. There was a dude from Delhi who came up to me and he's like, "What? क्या चल रहा है भाई?" Like nothing. मतलब पार्टी कर रहे हैं और क्या चिल कर रहे हैं. तो he goes like, कहाँ से है दोस्त? Like no, he's like fuck, what did he uses? हाँ अरे बंदे कहाँ से है तू यार? He's like बंदे कहाँ से है? I was like बंदे? Okay, I get it. Like I know Bande is like friend. I love the song Bande by Indian Ocean, but Bande kahan se? I mean, seems like kind of redundant, right? Like kahan se hai would suffice. I appreciate that you want to make me your friend using that language, but it's a little unnecessary. But I goes like kahan se? I was like Bombay. He's like क्या बात कर रहा है? Bombay, Mumbai से हो? I was like yes. He's like bro, you're from Bombay? I was like yes. I don't know why he switched up an accent, but yeah, he did. And he goes like with school bro. I was like जमुना भाई. क्या बात कर रहा है? जमुना भाई से है? I was like हाँ. He's like अरे जमुना भाई. I was like yes, thank you, I know, we are cool. He's like अरे बंदियाँ से मिला? I was like sorry. He's like अरे थोड़ी बंदियों से तो मिला. दल्ला दिखता हूँ तेरे को चूतिए? I look like a fucking pimp? बंदियों से मिला? या श्योर, मेरे लेफ्ट पॉकेट में है रिया, टीना, मीना, और भेंचू राइट पॉकेट में मेरे पूजा, रेमा शुक्ला, ये सब है. ठीक है, तेरे को चाहिए ले ले. दल्ला देखे? व्हाट बुलशिट, doesn't make any sense. Like how could you even, like, okay, it would be funny enough if one of my friend from Delhi, when he or she would come to Bombay and ask me to make them meet good looking people, because obviously Bombay, we're good looking people, man, come on, like there's no denial. But yeah, I mean, he goes like bandiyan se to mila. Like chup kar chute, what if I was like yeah bro, sure bro. Like अरे मिला. I'm like अभी we're in fucking Pennsylvania, what's wrong with you? Like I started saying, are you okay bro? Like all cool bro? He's like yeah bro, Bombay se hai? I was like yes man, fucking shut up man. And then I walked off. I literally walked off. Is that crazy, dude? Like this, it's too crazy, man, out there. These guys, and especially like I'll tell you, another the same guy, huh? I'm not joking. There was a scene that happened in that, like another so the same group called like I don't know what, like the same group of people, Indian people, through another party somewhere down the road in the next semester or something, and we went for that party, like my friends and I. And same party mein they got into a fight with a bunch of white guys, okay, and like a bunch of other kids from the college, mainly white guys. And this, okay, genetically I do not think that we are lucky enough to be the most built people. There are a few people in Indian culture that are built, but most of us are 5'7", 5'8", 5'9" at the most. The average male. I'm 5'5", so I don't fight, and I've told you all before, I don't want my teeth broken, right? So I'm 5'5". I don't fight. I don't think most of my friends are of an average 5'8", 5'9", 5'10" to, like, if A good height is 5'10" in India. Average Indian male height is that much, 5'7", 5'8". These guys, most of the white guys, most of these guys are at least 6'1", and these guys are built and buff and all that. And there is no way, like if things were to go down, there is a good chance you're not beating any of them up. Like a good fucking chance. I don't mean to be rude, but is what it is, man. Like there is no way. There's a great likelihood that you're gonna get your ass kicked. Like if you go to Iceland, the average height is 6'4" in Iceland. Like you think you're going to be able to beat fucking is that Viking DNA, right? That Viking DNA from Iceland. If we go to Iceland, and that though most of them are 6'4", Jason Momoa is a short guy there. Jason fucking Momoa is an average bloke there. He's an average guy there, and he can kick all our asses together. So yeah, there's some arguments going on, and I was like, guys, fucking, like I went to the Indian bunch of people, and I was like, guys, fuck it, bro, it doesn't make sense, it's not our country, there's more trouble that we can fall in, you know. Now I don't know why the fuck I became mediator for some reason, but I did. And I was telling these, like the white guys, I was like, guys, fuck it, come on, man, like we all got a little drunk, this, that, both, all of us are at fault here, fuck it, let's just let it go, this, that, whatever, we'll stay out of each other's way. And I went to our guys, I was like, जाने दे भाई, अपना देश नहीं है, it's not our country, we'll get fucked over, you know, for no reason, like shit will go down. And if, imagine, like if some guy calls the cops and says like he beat me up, and like the most, like at the least you're getting kicked out, and it's so easy to, like, for them to fuck with you if you're an international student. I know, like, it's not fair and all, but most of the time, even if it's fair, like even if they take it in a more legal way and don't fuck with you because you're from another country, there's a good probability, based on the laws in the country only, there's a good chance you're getting kicked out of the school. And if you get kicked out of the school, you're going back home there. So it's like fucked up, because like it's not our country, let's not fuck around. The guy goes like, पंजाबी है बैंड चोद, दिल्ली से है बैंड चोद, कुछ भी कर लेंगे, हमको फर्क नहीं पड़ता ब्रो, देख लेंगे, पेड़ डालेंगे, हटवा देंगे. हैं? What do you mean? What the fuck does Delhi se hai mean? That doesn't make any sense. Are you serious? So you're saying because you're from Delhi, nobody can fuck with you in Pennsylvania? Are you outside of your mind? You think these guys care if you're from Delhi? You think they're scared of you because you're from Delhi? Bro, nobody cares about Delhi apart from Delhi. And I'm very serious about this. I'm not joking. Like, guys, if y'all are listening to me from Delhi, I want y'all to know the air of poise that y'all have because y'all are from Delhi, only y'all care about it. The impact that you think you have when you say Delhi se hai is not there. People are just weirded out most of the times. And most of the times people are just weirded out. Like, dude, this guy's weird. Like, just one arm distance maintain karte hai isse. That's the case. And I think, like, I don't know, man, even for that, okay, see, I love being Gujarati, okay. I'm not somebody who, okay, I'll tell you how away from the whole religion, caste, sect, whatever scene I am. I'll tell you how far away. I think to the point that even when someone says Gujarati, अरे तुम तो मतलब stock market वाले हो, I don't even take pride in that. Meaning that I think it is now dumb. Like, I know friends of, I am Gujarati, I'm far away from the world of like economics, dude. Finance and economics, I don't know jack shit about, and I'm very serious. Similarly, I know people who are of different religions who, like, it's very, I think it's great if you take pride in your caste, religion, whatever. It's beautiful, right? It's something amazing. It's a sense of community and belonging. You should have that. But after a point, it gets a little weird. Like, it's like, I don't know, like someone saying that, oh, matlab, like, oh, like, I was playing Monopoly with a friend of mine. This is in school, okay? And it was the card wala, so like 15 million is what everybody gets, right? Like that card machine, the machine Monopoly. And there was a 60k rent, which is nothing in Monopoly, in that Monopoly. And like, to get the game faster, I was like, okay, we'll like add it to something else. He's like, अरे भाई गुजराती छू, लाइन गुजरा आ रहा है हमें तो लई पैसा तो लेवा ना. What the fuck, just shut up, that's got nothing to do with you being Gujarati, you're just irritating. Point being, where I was getting to with how far away I am from the scene, the same guy just started saying stuff like Punjabi hai and all that. I get it, okay. I think Punjabi guys and Punjabi girls and Punjabi people in general have got the warrior DNA in India. At least in all of India, the warrior DNA is in Punjabis. It has been proven time and again, all the way from all the way from battles with the British Empire to the Khalistan movement, everything, right? Like this is the warrior DNA of our country. Agreed. But I think y'all are Punjabi people are taking more and more and more. Like they're claiming that, like, it's good to claim, but Punjabi is claiming that अरे हम लोग good looking भी है, हम लोग built, we are tall and built and strong and good looking and rich and like we are everything. Like the Punjabi, this is mainly Punjabi guys. I don't know how Punjabi girls think. At least the guys I know. Like we are the most built. We are the toughest. We are the strongest. We are the coolest. We are the smartest. And also our women are the most beautiful. Everything is like सब तुम्हारा ही है क्या? अब मेरा क्या? मतलब क्या मैं खाली दुकान पे बैठूं और जलेबी खाऊं? Like you want me to trade shit and like what, eat jalebis? I don't know, man. It's somewhere like it's weird, like, but I love it. Like I love that. As much as I'm making fun of it, I love the whole like, you know what I mean, that chord mein ghumna and all that. It's kind of nice to look at. Like it's cringy and stupid and funny at the same time, but it's fun to look at. Yeah, but that's the scene, bro. He goes like Punjabi hai and this and that. I was like, chup chooti hai, chup. मैं पेल डालूंगा तेरे को, ठीक है? ठंडा ले, घर पे जा, ठीक है? मॉम ने जो तेरे थेपले भेजे वो खा चुपचाप. मम्मी ने जो घर से ग्रीन लेस भेजा है क्योंकि यहाँ मिलता नहीं है वो खा और सो जा, ठीक है? The whole like brown munde thing doesn't work. Brown munde, you know what's the crazy part? The song Brown Munde, it's like we are only celebrating. Brown Mundes are celebrating being Brown Munde. And it's great, you should. But I don't think you realize that nobody else is celebrating it. We only made a song called Brown Munde and we are only celebrating it. It's like that Andho Mein Kana Raja concept. Like we are only celebrating something that, like, I don't know, it's I don't also want to be so cynical. Like I want to have, like, let people have their fun. I don't want to be that uncle kind of guy who just keeps like complaining about people. But yeah, man, it's stupid. But on that note, fuck, it's been a while and I've just been complaining. I'm gonna call this stupid shit I hate. On that note, I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.